Magandang araw at magandang gabi po sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng naabot ng video nito. Welcome po dito sa AMB o Avoy Mix Videos. Ngayon po meron tayong video ngayon na bibigyan natin ng ating reaction at saka ng comment. At siyempre inaasahan ko rin po sa inyo yan dyan sa ating comment box. Ito po ay video ni Backyard Scientist, no? At napakaganda po nung kanyang tingin ko na may ambag para sa isang proteksyon, no? O mukhang ito kasi kailangan ng ating PCG, no? Dahil bawal lang magbuhat ng mga live firearms. So tingin ko ito, kung wala tayong water cannon, baka kailangan natin to at mas matipid to sa bala, no? So panoorin na lang natin itong kanilang vortex cannon kung paano ito nag-work. So ito po yun, no? Play na natin.
Hey guys, Backyard Scientist here, and behind me is the world's most powerful vortex cannon. It shoots a vortex ring out at over 350 miles an hour, and it's aimed directly at my head. Well, a little bit above it, because honestly I'm kind of scared of this thing, and you're about to find out why. Fire! Now the crazy thing...
So para din sa boga, no? Pero malakas yung impact niya, no? Isipin nyo kung meron tayo niyan sa ating Philippine Coast Guard, no? At yun yung pangtaboy natin, no? Kasi pagka binira ka nga naman yan, talagang maririndi ka. So tingnan natin, no? Tingnan natin ulit.
Because you can't see the vortex because it's shooting rings of air, which is, well, invisible. But you can definitely hear it. That noise is the invisible vortex ring just ripping through the air. It sounds like an invisible fighter jet flying through a field. This thing shoots a concentrated tornado.
Ganun
Before I
kabilis.
shoot myself with this thing, I want to do some tests. So for the first test, we're going to shoot these cardboard boxes. Fire!
Basta, malayo na po yan, ha?
Whoa! Oh my gosh! Look at how powerful that is. It just shreds the boxes, rips them apart. When's the last time you were able to shred a box just by slapping it? The aim was a little high that time, so we're gonna lower the cannon and try again. All right, fire, fire, fire! Whoa! My gosh!
Malakas po yung impact niya, no? Sa ganun kalayo, no? At kung meron kang yung halimbawa meron tayo niyan tapos may barko ng PCG, tututukan mo niyan at bibirahin mo ng ganyan, matindi impact nito dun sa barko nila, no? Siguro sa tao baka yung glass nila mabasag doon, pero wala kang pinakakawalaan ng mga pampasabog o bala, no? It's just an impact po, impact lang po, no? So sige po, play na ulit natin.
Oh yeah, nailed it, nailed it. Now if you slow this down, there's a couple cool things that happen. Number one, you can see the shockwave from the blast hit the boxes before the vortex ring does. It doesn't look like much, but there's a cool editing trick. Take a copy of the clip, stack it on top, and then move that over by a few frames. Then take the difference between the two clips. This highlights and amplifies motion. Now you can see the shockwave much more clearly, and you can even see the vortex ring moving through air, and that's because it slightly bends the air like a lens. Now I told you this is like a tornado. I mean, look at how far it threw those boxes. It picked them up and threw them about 40 feet. And I don't know about you, but I tried my hardest and I could only throw a box like 20 feet.
So tumalsik siya, no, ng ganong kalayo. Sa impact na yon, no? Hindi natin alam kung gaano kabigat yung box na yun o kung gaano kagaan yung box na yun para tumalsik siya ng ganon.
5 feet. So this is pretty cool. That was so awesome. Dude, it shredded those boxes like a piece of tissue paper. The first shot we took actually went over the boxes and it hit the tree way over there. So this isn't just a short-range vortex cannon. I mean, this thing could throw a vortex like a half mile away. I walked to the tree 500 feet away because I want to see what happens when the vortex hits it. It's terrifying being down here. Yeah, ready. Whoa! You nailed it! That's one way to...
Kita nyo yung impact, ano? Sabi mo, lagas yung dahon. So, may matindi pa rin siyang impact, ano? Kahit na ganun na siya kalayo, no? At ang maganda dito, wala kang bala, no? Wala kang bala para bilhin to, no? Unlimited po.
Now, the tree is only 500 feet away, and it takes the vortex 2 seconds to reach it. If you miss the tree, though, the vortex keeps going and going and going. According to this clip, the vortex traveled over 2,000 feet. That was so cool! The key to making a good vortex ring is a short, fast burst of air. This cannon uses rubber bands, and the giant cannon uses explosions. So right here we have the name of the cannon, the VRAD. They have outfitted this thing with a 28-inch barrel on this end, and on this end is where you fill up the gases. So right there they've got some liquid oxygen.
Siguro itong mga nagpe-present na ito, siya yung nag-design nito. No? Siyempre, kaya nga siya yung nagpapaliwanag. Hindi rin natin alam na maaaring may ibang nag-design. Tapos itinuro sa kanya yung para maipaliwanag ito kasi siya yung vlogger. Pero based doon sa channel nila, The Backyard Scientist, mukhang binuo nila itong YouTube channel na to at sila mismo, yung mga designer nito. No? Mga engineering ito, mga engineering estudyante, no, na physicist, kaya na-invento nila yan.
Which they mix with a bunch of different gases in just the right ratio to get the perfect explosive mixture, which shoots the vortex ring out of the end right here. Now you can basically think of this like a giant single-shot rocket engine because, well, it is. There's a combustion chamber, converging diverging nozzle, and fuel and oxygen injectors. So I always thought that the vortex ring was formed inside the nozzle, but it's actually not. So when the gas comes out of here, what it does is it pulls the air from the outside into the stream like that. So you get a short, fast burst
So
of air.
yun yung
and the air from
impact, kung meron kang isang camera na para makakita doon sa impact, yun. No? Yung bilog na hangin na yun yung nagtatravel ng napakabilis. At may lakas po siya, may impact para sumira ng isang bagay. O hindi natin alam kung hanggang anong klaseng bagay ba ang kayang sirain ito. Pero kung ito ay ma-develop, no, ng mas maganda pa, o mapaliit nila pero malakas, ay mas maganda, papakinabangan po. At dahil ito ay nandyan pa lang, kung bibili mo sa kanila itong model na to, kung magpapagawa ka siguro sa kanila, dito sa mga taga-backyard scientist, mura lang. No? Tapos ikabit natin sa mga barko natin, pantira natin doon sa mga pasaway na Chinese Coast Guard, no? Tsaka doon sa mga militia. Ewan ko kung di magkadurog-durog yung salamin nila pagka tumama talaga yung impact na yan. Sigurado, basag din yung mga salamin na yan.
outside comes like poof and whips into the stream and makes a vortex like that. Now I want to find out just how powerful this single-shot rocket engine actually is by having it shoot my childhood basketball. Now if you listen carefully, you can hear the gas start to fill the chamber. And if you look closely from this angle, nothing but net. Maybe because the basketball was...
So nakita nyo, kung nasa sentro, wala masyadong impact. Kasi yung impact niya naka-encircle, no? Nasa gilid, no? Pag yun ang tumama, medyo, siguro kung sa tao yun, masakit din yun. Ganun din naman yung, yung water cannon. Pag tinamahan ka, di ba masakit? Makakamatay pa yun pagka talagang napuruhan ka.
So even though we got a direct hit on the basketball, the vortex ring is still faster than the basketball, and it knocks the hoop over before the basketball can get there. But this cannon wasn't built to play basketball. It was designed to scare birds. And this is the perfect thing for scaring birds because it is just so loud. It's actually hard to convey just how loud this thing is. I mean, when they fire this thing, all of the dirt jumps up off the ground. It's like an actual artillery cannon going off. The owner of the cannon also told me they used the sound of the cannon firing as a sound effect in one of the new Star Wars movies.
They call it the battering ram. It makes that like pulse and it shoots. Well, that's our cannon.
Ano yun? Yung concept kinuha nila sa Star Wars. No, siguro gano'n, no? Parang kinuha nila sa Star Wars siguro. Yung doon ay parang vortex cannon.
Well, I guess it's time to get hit by the battering ram while I hide in this porta potty. The truck's gonna be here in a minute and I'm pretty nervous. It's a good thing that this came with toilet paper. Wait, that reminds me. I promised Mark
So, hinaya niyang pataubin, no? Hinaya niyang pataubin yung portalet na yun, no?
Let's do it. All right, whenever you're ready. Oh, I hear it filling. Oh my God.
Tinesting nila sa tao at mukhang safe, no? Pag tinesting mo sa tao, mukhang safe. No? Pero pagka meron kang mga something pwedeng mabasag, sigurado mababasag yon. At yung ano nun, yung debris nun, pag tumalsik sa'yo, masasaktan ka. Pero hindi naman siguro para ikamatay mo, no? At ito'y siguro pag meron tayo yan at na-improve pa yan, pag tumama yan doon sa barko, na kung sino yung gusto mong patamaan, sigurado aalis yun, no? Masashock yun eh. Ano to? Ano yung klaseng ano ang meron sila? Ano yung klaseng weapon yon, no? Kaya ang gagawin nila, alis yon, no? May tataboy natin, ano? So ito, okay to siguro kung ma-improve pa to at mapalakas, maganda, meron ang PC dyan ito.
That was awesome! Oh my god! I've never felt anything like that before. Oh no. Oh god, I'm so close to that. I don't like this. Fire! Oh my god! Are you kidding me? Whoa, what the heck? Oh, that kind of hurt. Yeah, I don't like that. It kind of got me in the nuts too. Bring it on. Here we go. Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Firing! Ah! Ever since I was a little kid, I...
So kung mapapansin nyo, medyo may distansya, no? Malayo. At tinitira siya. So kung mapapansin nyo, hindi natin alam kasi siya yung nandun eh. Siya yung nakakaramdam nun, hindi natin. Pero ang sabi niya mo, masakit. No? Para siguro water cannon, pag tinamaan ka, masakit din. No?
dreamed of getting hit by a giant vortex cannon mounted on the back of a truck. This is a dream come true. Fire! Oh! Whoa! That would hit my legs! That almost knocked me off my feet. Oh my god! Alright, come on, hit me again. Do it. Alright, this is what it's like to get hit by a giant vortex cannon. Oh my gosh, you nailed me that time. Whoa! I think I'm done for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Please don't shoot
So,
me again.
yun lang po, no? At maganda to, no? Masama improve siya, no? Yung mapalakas pa, no? Hindi natin alam kung ano yung material na ginamit nila para mag-create ng blast dun sa loob. At yung ano niya, yung puwersa niya ay makapagpalakas ng hangin para ipangsapul doon sa pinupuntirya mo, no? Pinupuntirya nila. So, yun lang sa akin na sinare ko lang tong video na ito na kung sakaling ma-improve to, dapat meron nito yung ano, ang Philippine Coast Guard natin. So, kung medyo malapit yung distance, pwede nating walang humpay na pagbabarilin sila ng ganyan kasi hindi naman siya nakakamatay. Bagkos pwedeng makasira ng mga gamit, ano. Pero hindi nakakaano sa tao, no? Hindi siya masyadong harmful. Ang tendency ngayon yan, pag nayayanig na yung gamit mo, magdadrive ka na palabas, ano? Madadrive away nila, palayo yung mga kalaban, ano? O yung mga magbabalak na pumasok sa teritoryo natin. So hanggang dito na lang po. Ito po ang Avoy Mix Videos. Hanggang sa muli. Maraming salamat po.